Today, we're installing and reviewing the Olixar Glass screen protector for the Sony Xperia 1.4. If you've recently received your Sony Xperia 1.4, then you're probably looking for a screen protector. If that's the case, we're here for you. We're going to start by installing it, so without further ado, let's crack on with the installation. In the box, you of course have the glass screen protector and the trusty cleaning pack, which consists of a wet wipe, dust removal stickers, and a microfiber cloth. As always, we suggest turning your phone off, just so the screen doesn't keep illuminating when you're fitting the screen protector. With this done, it's time to clean the device. Take the wet wipe and wipe off all the fingerprints from the screen. You'll then need a microfiber cloth to remove any liquid left from the wet wipe. Next, we're on to the most important step, in my opinion, getting rid of all the dust that is on your display. Use the provided dust sticker to gather up all the dust by repeatedly dabbing it on the screen. Take your time, as any little bit left over will ruin the installation. Once it's clear, we can turn our attention to the glass. If you want to use the guide stickers to help you with this part, go ahead and pop one at each end of the glass. However, I'm going to carefully hold the glass by the edge and lower it onto the screen. When you've lowered it to the screen and are happy, press the center of the glass to help the adhesive spread evenly. If there are any bubbles, simply lift the nearest edge and push them out using the microfiber cloth. Now it's installed, let's take a look. The best thing about having a glass screen protector is it feels just like you're touching the screen. It's nice and smooth and really responsive too. Also, the glass is really hard. You'll have a hard time scratching it, as we found out by pushing quite hard with a nail. The edges on this screen protector are really nice and smooth, with no sharp corners. You'll have no issue swiping away. Coverage of the screen is also great, with almost none of the screen showing. You'll have a hard time damaging the display. Overall, this screen protector is really nice, and I would recommend picking one up for your Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV. If you would like to pick one up, head to the links in the description below, and if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe for more tech content.